before we finish out the lesson, let's have a reality check. Why are we building frequency tables at all? It's so that we can understand some phenomenon better, so we can understand the world better. Let's just kind of remind ourselves that bad data can often be worse than no data at all. When we have no data at all, well, with good reason, we should be very humble when it comes to making decisions. On the other side, if we feel like we're armed with this wonderful data, but it's leading us astray, that could be worse than just not having any data at all. So what constitutes good data or bad data? I'm going to argue here that good data has three core dimensions or characteristics. One, good data is complete, which is to say that for any given specimen that we're observing, for any one member of our sample, we have data that we can report on each and every variable. It's not that we have some values and we're missing others, so it's complete. The next dimension of good data is that it is highly reliable, meaning that we trust the data that we're looking at. We believe that it came from a reputable source. We suspect the data was collected in a reasonable way and that it was recorded accurately. And then the final dimension is that the data is timely for our purposes. So if we were looking at U.S. consumer behavior in the here and now, and the only data that we had access to was very complete, and it was collected and recorded in a high quality way, but it's all data from, say, the 1950s, well, we should be very timid with the confidence of our results, because while the data is complete and high quality, it is not timely for our purposes. At wrapping up this section, I just want to urge you to check off those common sense boxes. You have these frequency tables and they can tell you wonderful, powerful things, but only if the data that went to populate them is complete, high quality, and timely.